Hi guys, it's Dani here and welcome back to my channel. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate your support. And if you are new, please hit the subscribe button and join our little fam. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about no spend days, what they are, how they work, and how you can make them a little bit bougie. So the name's in the title. A no spend day is a day where you do not spend a penny of your money. So why do people do this? To save money, literally. So I try to put in a few no spend days throughout the month to cut back, because it's so easy, especially in a city, when you just go out, oh, a coffee here, oh, a little vegan cake here, oh, a little sandwich here, and before you know it, you've spent 20 quid. We're not doing that. So I'm going to tell you how you can make it a bit more effective. So how I like to do my no spend days is not every single day. It's basically impossible. It's not possible, but it's just not something that I like to do, because I like to think of it as quite a way of like putting things back. So I like to dot them throughout the month. So maybe 2 a week. I think we can do that, sometimes more. And I love the fact that sometimes you have an unintentional no spending. You're like, oh, I actually didn't buy anything today. Wow, that feels so good. So try and get it into the routine and try and make them a positive thing as well. I think it's really nice when, you know, how I said, you do it unintentionally and you're like, take yourself back and you're like happy and relieved. Make it a positive thing, part of your routine. So how do I make them bougie? So there's a few little things I like to do. So obviously at the start of the month, I do my budget, and there's a few things in there that ensure that, you know, I've got fun things to do. Number one is using my gym pass. So I use a thing called Class Pass because I like to do classes versus going to a gym. So I like to book something a little bit more bougie or something that's a little bit more different on my no spend day. So I already feel like I'm having a treat. So that's the first thing. The second thing I like to do, and these are things that I equate normally with spending money. So when I get them for free, it feels like a treat. And obviously it's not a free thing because it's part of my healthcare, which I do have to pay a percentage for, but it's already budgeted for. So I'm not going outside of my budgeted spend to do these things. And the last thing I like to do is actually just bake. I know this sounds really simple, but actually just having like a little sweet treat at home. So I like to like bake a cake or make some flapjacks, or even have like a little ice lolly that I've bought on my supermarket shop. Something sweet and cute that feels like a bit of a treat is a way that I like to jazz up my no spend days and make them feel a little bit bougie. So I'd love to hear your guys' tips for no spend days. Do you have them? How many do you put in a month? Do you make it bougie and do anything special on them? Just a few things that you can make them feel a lot more fun while saving money, you know, and having your no spend day. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to link here my Dave Ramsey video. So if you're not sure about how his baby step method work, you can check that out now. And I will see you in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Hit subscribe. See you soon.